name is Bain Valdez, 21 years old.
I'm De Sabay, 16 years old.
I'm Zar Andrew Calda, 20 years old.
I'm Leonard Mike Blancaflor, 20 years old.
I'm Jairo, I'm 16 years old.
My name is Andre Carmen, 14 years old.
Jello Sabay, 18 years old.
I found life in parkour and the meaning of freedom and movement and the meaning of movement.
I do parkour because I love the adrenaline and I want to develop myself physically and mentally.
I found parkour challenging.
I choose parkour to make my body physically fit and strong. I choose parkour because I feel free when doing it.
Because through parkour, I can test my capabilities.
I do parkour because I feel free in doing it.
Understanding sa parkour. Parkour is this freedom of movement, the art of displacement, and each movement has its meaning. So that pretty much sums it up.
You can move freely. You can do whatever you like.
Is parkour all about fun?
Kasi recommend sa training, practice para ma-overcome mo yung obstacles na
What make you do parkour?
What may maybe just finding a place in life, and I found it in parkour.
Train hard, play hard. We are Parkour.com.